Students, in previous lecture I taught you meaning of levels of management and various designation in the different levels of management. And today topic is functions of levels of management. First level is top level. So let us discuss functions of top level management. First function is determining and setting the objectives of enterprises. As you know students कि top level management is the highest authority in the आपका organization. So all the objectives are set up by the आपका top level managers. Second is framing of plans and policies to achieve the objectives. स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अभी सेट किया गया है उस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अचीवमेंट करने के लिए टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट वेरियस प्लान्स एंड पॉलिसीज को फ्रेमिंग करता है. नेक्स्ट इज organizing activities to be performed by persons working at middle level. The top level management assign work to different people who are working at middle level. As you know students कि in middle level various departments are work there. बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स वर्किंग करते हैं बेटा मिडिल लेवल में एंड सो मैनी पीपल्स आर वर्क देयर इन मतलब ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट्स. सो मिडिल लेवल जो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट है उन सभी वर्क पीपल्स को वर्क असाइन करता है, ठीक है, वर्क प्रोवाइड कराता है हु आर वर्किंग इन मिडिल लेवल, जो मिडिल लेवल में वर्क करते हैं. इट्स क्लियर. नाउ द फोर्थ point is assembling all the resources such as finance, fixed assets, etc. Student top level managers arrange the funds को अरेंजिंग करता है एंड परचेज द फिक्स्ड एसेट्स और फिक्स्ड एसेट्स को परचेजिंग करता है फॉर द आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सो दैट द वर्क कैन बी कैरी ऑन इन द आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ताकि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क को कैरी ऑन इनके स्टार्ट किया जा सके. इट्स क्लियर. Now, fifth point is responsible for welfare and survival of the organization. A student listen carefully. Top level is responsible for welfare and survival of the organization. बेटा एक यही लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट यानी कि टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट ही रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सर्वाइवल और वेलफेयर के लिए, बिकॉज ऑल द पॉलिसीज एंड प्लान्स आर फ्रेम्ड बाय द आपका टॉप लेवल ओनली. So top level is responsible. Okay students, तो top level manager is responsible for the आपका survival and आपका growth of the organization. They make plans to run the organization smoothly and successfully. As you know students कि all the plans are framed by the आपका top level, ठीक है, and two objectives are also set up by the आपका top level, and to achieve that objectives or goals the top level management make the आपका various plans and policies so that the activities of the organization can be running smoothly and successfully to achieving the objectives of the organization. It's okay students. Now the next point is liaison with outside world. means कि टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट बेटा जो आउटसाइड पार्टीज हैं आउटसाइड ऑफ द आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उनसे अपना रिलेशन मेंटेन करता है, उनके टच में रहता है. द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट रिमेन्स इन टच और कॉन्टैक्ट विद आपका मीडिया, कॉम्पिटिटर्स, सप्लायर्स एंड गवर्नमेंट एक्सेट्रा. इट्स क्लियर स्टूडेंट. सो दैट इफ एनी चेंज टेक प्लेस इन द आपका outside of the आपका business, then they knowing exactly कि what is the changing. Suppose if government change आपका tax policy, तो if the top level management is in the touch of government, then he knowing quickly कि this is the tax policy. It's students. Now the next point is to integrate diverse elements and आपका coordinate the activities of different departments according to overall objective. As you know students कि top level management वेरियस पीपल्स के वर्क को इंटीग्रेट करता है, bring together all the efforts of all the peoples who are working in the different departments toward the common objective, that is achievement of organizational goal. It's clear. Next point is analyze business environment and its implications for survival of the firm. Students, top level management always focuses on business environment. If any change take place in the outside of the world, outside of the business, so top level management always focuses to adopt that change in the organization so that he can survive for the longer time. Next point is top level management is responsible for all the activities of the business and for its impact on the society. As you know, students, all the objectives are set up by the top level management and all the plans and policies are framing by the top level managers or management. So only top level management is responsible for all the activities which are performing in the organization and what is the effect of those activities on the society. ठीक है कि सोसाइटी पे इन एक्टिविटीज़ का क्या इम्पैक्ट है, क्या इफेक्ट है, क्या प्रभाव है, उन सब के लिए भी टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट ही रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. डिस्कस द फंक्शंस ऑफ मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज interpretation of policies framed by top level management to lower level. Middle level management explain the main plans and policies formed by top level to lower level. As you know, students, the middle level is the link between top level and lower level. So those plans and policies are framed by the top level. This level manages interpretation of all policies and plans to the middle level to the lower level. लोअर लेवल्स को सारे प्लान्स एंड पॉलिसीज को इंटरप्रेट करता है, उनको बताता है. ठीक है. सेकंड इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ देयर डिपार्टमेंट्स. स्टूडेंट्स, मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट आर द हेड ऑफ सम डिपार्टमेंट्स. बेटा, मिडिल लेवल डिपार्टमेंट में जो मैनेजमेंट होते हैं, जो मैनेजर्स होते हैं, वो हेड होते हैं ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट्स के, जस्ट लाइक हेड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, हेड ऑफ आपका परचेज, हेड ऑफ आपका फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट्स, head of sales department, etc. So these are comes in आपका middle level. So they organize all the resources and activities of their department. So that is the reason कि ये अपने डिपार्टमेंट्स की सभी एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए जो भी रिसोर्सेज की रिक्वायरमेंट है उनको अरेंजिंग करते हैं, उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, motivating the persons to perform to their best ability. Students के middle level managers provide various incentives to their employees. बेटा, मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर जो है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को वेरियस टाइप के इंसेंटिव्स प्रोवाइड कराते हैं सो डैट दे गेट मोटिवेटेड टू परफॉर्म टू देयर बेस्ट एबिलिटी, ताकि वो एम्प्लॉयज़ मोटिवेट हों और अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस प्रोवाइड करें या गिव टू द आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज फाइंडिंग आउट, रिक्रूटिंग, selecting and appointing the required employees. Student, listen carefully कि middle level managers select the employees for their departments. As you know बेटा कि in this level the managers are the head of their department and to run the आपका activities of their departments they require the आपका human being, they require the आपका employees. So the middle level managers appointing the आपका required people है ना for their departments. Now next function is responsible for all the activities of first line managers. Students, middle level managers is responsible, ये responsible होता है for first line managers एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए। फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर्स फॉर एग्जांपल फोरमैन हो गया, सेक्शन हेड हो गया, या शिफ्ट बॉस हो गया, एक्सेट्रा। इन्हीं सब के वर्क के लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट और मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर। Student, now let us discuss the functions of lower level or supervisory level management. As you know, this is the आपका last level of management, and this is directly connected to employees. Now, first function of this level of management is representing the problems of workers. As you know, student, कि lower level managers are directly connected with the आपका workers. बच्चों, ये लेवल वर्कर से डायरेक्ट कनेक्टेड होता है, सो दे आर द राइट पर्सन्स। इसी वजह से ये एक बिल्कुल उचित पर्सन्स होता है, उचित मैनेजर होते हैं, यानी कि परफेक्ट पीपल होता है टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ वर्कर्स। वर्कर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स को स्टैंडर्ड अंडरस्टैंड समझने के लिए, यानी कि एंड दे पास दीज प्रॉब्लम्स टू मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट, और ये मैनेजर उन वर्कर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स को मिडिल लेवल तक पास आउट करते हैं। Okay, students. Second is maintaining good working conditions and developing healthy relations between superior and subordinates. Students, lower level managers provide good working conditions to their employees and make better relations between superior and subordinates. As you know, students, if the superior persons or boss provide the best working condition according your physical fitness, then you and your boss make the आपका good relation, ठीक है, between both of parties. So this is the work of lower level managers, कि they provide the आपका good working condition for their employees, and that is the reason कि they make the आपका best relation with the आपका employees. Now third is looking to safety of workers. Looking to safety of workers, वर्कर्स की सेफ्टी के देखभाल करना। लोअर लेवल मैनेजर्स प्रोवाइड सेफ एंड सिक्योर वर्क एनवायरनमेंट फॉर देयर वर्कर्स। एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, कि आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर कि दिस लेवल ऑफ management directly connect to workers, so this is the responsibility of this level of managers कि they provide the आपका safe and secure work environment in which every employees perform their work easily without any problem. Now the next function is responsible for boosting the morale of workers. Responsible for boosting the morale of workers. Students, lower level managers are responsible for making team spirit among the आपका workers and motivate them and boost up their morale. As you know students, कि lower level managers always tries to make the आपका team spirits to accomplish the work in the organization. So this level of managers always motivate their employees and boost up their morale so that they performing your work in best possible manner. Now the next function is lower level management tries to reduce the wastage of resources and maintaining safety standards. As you know students, lower level managers are directly connected to employees, so time to time they provide the आपका training to their employees and guidance and आपका instructions कि how to perform this work. So in this way, this level of management reduce the आपका wastage of resources and always maintaining the safety standards of the goods. Now next point is lower level managers interact with the workers and pass on instructions of middle level management. As you know students, this level, the manager of this level is directly connected to the employees and they pass out all the instructions which are coming from middle level of management. So the managers of this level, every instructions, every order pass to आपका employees which are coming from the आपका middle level. Okay students.